Hello, my name is Dheeraj, and in this video we will demonstrate the Excel structure, the worksheet structure, the concept of active cell, how to identify the address of a cell, how to locate a formula bar and how to use it, and how to use the worksheet tab. The first thing which we need to know is the active cell, the cell with the black outline. Data is always entered into the active cell. In this case, the black outline is here. This is my active cell. To move the position of the active cell, I can make use of right, left, down, up arrow keys, or click with the mouse to select an active cell. Whatever you type is always entered into the active cell. Like I am entering some text, some number, and actual numbers, right? So wherever the cell is active, the data is always entered into the RAM. Now these are called as column letters A, B, C, D, E. As we are aware of, it is till XFD, which is a column header, and this is called as row numbers. So this is 1, 2, 3, and when I press Ctrl and down, I go to the last row, and I'll press Ctrl up to go to the first row. This is my formula bar, the one written FX. As we are aware of, we can increase the height of formula bar the way we want depending upon how we want to use it. Now this is called the sheet tab area, where all the sheets are available. By default, when you start with a new workbook, Excel will introduce 3 sheets over here. If you want to change this default setting, and if you want maybe say 5 sheets for every new workbook which you start, you can make use of this button. Go to the options menu, okay, and here we go, include this many sheets. So when creating a new workbook, what you want, so if I want say 5, I can change it to 5. If I want only 2 sheets whenever I'm creating new book, I'll just cancel this. Now using the sheet tab, you can manage your worksheets efficiently. You can quickly change the location or the sequence of the sheet by just clicking it and releasing it. Suppose I want sheet 2 at the last, I will click that, drag it and drop it over here. I can quickly rename the sheet by double clicking and changing the name, apology for this, changing the name, say my sheet, and I can change the sheet color also by just simply right clicking, and I can say the tab color which I want for my sheet to easily identify. I can insert the new sheet by pressing the shortcut key Shift F11 or by just simply clicking it. Every time you insert a worksheet in your workbook, Excel internally identifies the counter, and it will keep on adding sheets like sheet 4 and sheet 5 and sheet 6. Now during this session, suppose I delete any of the sheet, still it will give me now sheet 7, because internally it is maintaining a counter. Until you close this workbook and reopen, the counter is not reset. So this is the sheet tab. Now coming back to our active cell, we have each and every active cell is identified by a cell address, which is nothing but a intersection of a column header and a row number. So as we are aware of, these are column headers and these are row headers. So automatically wherever your active cell is, that particular column gets highlighted by different color and that row gets highlighted by different color. Suppose when I'm clicking here. Now how do I identify active cell? As I mentioned, intersection of column and row makes address of a cell. So here I am currently into cell B4, so that becomes the address of that particular cell. Each and every cell has a unique address. For example, this is A1 and this is D1, and this is B5. So this is another option of our worksheet, which is called as name box, which will always display name of the active cell or the address of the active cell. Now this is the ribbon bar of one of the main structure of Microsoft Excel 2010. All the options which you frequently used are classified in different section, different tabs like home, insert, page layout. We'll learn about all these options in coming sessions. Now suppose you want to use the entire area of this window, you can simply right click and you can say minimize my ribbon bar, so it will give you the more space. Now how to get your ribbon bar back? No need to worry, you can click on any of these tabs and that ribbon bar is displayed. Moment you come back to your worksheet, it is hidden, so it gives you more space to work with your worksheet. If you want that fixed ribbon bar back, you can click here or simply click here and you can say remove this option, minimize ribbon bar, any of the tab. It's not necessary I'm on home, I can click here also and I can say remove the minimize option. So this is the ribbon bar. This section is called as a quick access toolbar. You can quickly customize your quick access toolbar for options which you might be using frequently for your Excel modeling. Quick access toolbar can be accessed from file button to options, and here we go. This is a quick access. I have following 4 options available in my quick access. I'll simply say cancel. I can also use this, some of the most frequently used options you can enable it for. This portion of the worksheet is the status bar of the worksheet. All information which worksheet wants you to know are displayed over here. By default it's a ready state, that means it's ready to be used. You can use the worksheet. This is the quick option to zoom the worksheet, zoom in and zoom out. By default it's 100% the best fit. And these are 3 layout options. By default it's a normal layout. You can simply see the page layout, with the help of which the header, footer and the margins are visible for you. And there's a page break view and there's a normal view. We'll see about all these layouts and all when we talk about formatting. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll learn about data inputs and various types of data in next session. Thank you.